Our project is about light sensing and following robot. This is our robot. We we have done it everything on a dotted circuit board, and we haven't used any printed circuit board. Let me show you this board, which is L293 motor driver board. Here there are two inputs, two ports for inputs, two ports for outputs, which means these two ports are connected to two motors for the two wheels, and this is for power supply. Without using this kind of printed circuit board, everything is done on a dotted circuit board. This is part for power supply, and this part for the outputs, and the inputs are taken by the LDRs as light as input. So for the power supply we used 7805 voltage regulator, which means it takes input up to 12 volts and it regulates to 5 volts. And an LED is used for showing that whether the power supply is going rightly or not, which means that if I give power supply, it starts glowing, and if it is there any wrong connections or anything got short circuited, this LER, this LED doesn't glow. Let me show how LED is working in our project. See, when I start giving the power supply, it starts glowing, and when I remove the power supply, it stops glowing. That means our project is running very perfectly without any short circuits. So next comes to the microcontroller part. Here we used Atmega 8 as our microcontroller, and 6 op amps are used for 6 LDRs. 6 op amps are connected to 6 LDRs. So here, let me show how LDR, this op amps are connected to microcontroller. So suppose this is an op amp. Here 7 pin is connected to uh, positive 5 volts, and sixth pin and second pin are short circuited, and third pin is connected to one part of LDR, and the other part is connected to positive 5 volts. For this, what we have done is this other part is connected to 7 volts. See here, this is the third pin and this is the seventh pin. For that we have soldered, like third pin is connected to a normal pin, female pin, and it is connected to with a jumper wire, and this one is connected to one part of LDR, one side of the one side pin of the LDR, and another side is connected to the seventh pin, which means seventh pin is for 5 volts, and that's why these 5 volts are connected to the seventh pin. And this is how all the 6 op amps are connected to 6 LDRs. Next is the L293D motor driver IC, which is used for the output of these motor wheels. When the input is taken by the LDRs, it starts moving by the functionality that we are dump the code in the Atmega 8 microcontroller. To dump the code into microcontroller, we used AVR USB programmer, which is connected to the PC, and the code from the PC is dumped into the Atmega 8 microcontroller to these 10 pins, and these 10 pins are connected to these 10 pins, so that the connection with the PCB board is connected to USB programmer, and the USB programmer is connected to a laptop by using this USB. Here these pin connections with the microcontroller will be shown next video, in the continuation video, and this is all how we prepared our robot. Thank you.